Díomh a Cairde, Seán and Seo ó Cairde. This is Seán from Cairde and Mhacha. I'm going to be taking part in Camino Mhacha, and I can't wait to the 1st of August to walk the 25 miles from Mullaban to Armagh, Bemunticsúil ó Hí Cullen, go Mhacha, Agree Lar, na Carrach and Seán Ardwaha. We're walking to finish off at the centre here in Armagh, the Mhacha Centre. And our aim is to raise as much as possible for Mhacha. Basically, the centre opened at the beginning of March, and just 6 days later was forced to shut down with the health pandemic. We had the youth club in here one evening. They were also here at the opening night as well. They love the place, and we can't wait to have them back here to enjoy the facilities that we have. We also run classes in Armagh, and we are going to expand. There's going to be classes throughout the day and every evening of the week as well, opportunities for people to learn the language, and also classes, not just Irish language classes, but classes through the medium of Irish as well. So we hope to develop a lot of classes in the centre going forward. Please, if you look at the link below, please consider going in and donating whatever you can. We'd be very, very grateful, because we cannot wait to invite everybody back into the centre here. So, míle buíochas gur maigah ar fad as an takeíocht.